Hi everyone, today let us discuss the few points of healthy brain. If brain is healthy, then we are strong. So brain also need a healthier tip to be strong and capable of doing the work. There is a 10 tips for your healthy brain. Let us start. Tip number 1, breathe. Yes, breathing is very important. Daily meditation can improve your brain health. Deep breathing gets more oxygen to your brain. Deep breathing can reduce the risk of the brain diseases. And deep breathing improve your memory and focus on your studies, and you will be attentive in the classes. When we take deep breath, the signals sent to the brain telling us that to be calm and cool down and be relaxed. Yes, deep breathing calm our body. It is relaxed. It relieves all the pains. And we will be healthy. We will be strong enough to face all the situations. Tip number 2. Exercise. Performing daily exercise can improve your health. Can improve your energy level. Yes, isn't it? It is a fitness. It balances our body. The exercise balances our body. Exercise improve your memory power so that you are able to focus, able to study, able to learn and able to concentrate. Performing daily exercise can reduce the depression and reduce the anxiety. So please perform the exercise daily to be a good and healthy person. Tip number 3. Mental health. Do the new activities. Perform the activities, the work which is new to you, so that your brain cells are improved, grow. During activities, help your brain to develop a new cell. It becomes stronger. Spend some time with a new activity so that you are fresh enough. You can learn, able to learn the new thing. The brain has the capacity to learn, to capture the things, isn't it? It helps the mental health of your brain and you will be quick enough to answer. Tip number 4. Hydration. Your brain is mostly made up of water. Water is very important, isn't it? You have to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Water removes the toxic material from your body. It cleans up your body. Water plays a very important role. It improves your memory. Actually, it helps your memory power. Water carries the nutrients to your brain so that your brain can function very well and you get the right nutrients with the water. Water helps your brain to communicate with each other. So, water is very important. Tip number 5. Diet. If you consume a right diet, you will be healthier, you will be stronger. Yes, what are the good diet that you have to consume? The fruits, the veggies, the meat, fish, egg, milk and etc. There are lots of minerals and vitamins present in a food that you have to consume, that you have to eat to be stronger enough, so that all this high quality of fiber food reach to your brain and your brain functions very well, so that you will be able to concentrate, able to focus. If you are strong enough, you can face the problems, your diseases, isn't it? So you have to eat. Please avoid the junk food which is not necessary, which damage your body, which damage your cells in your body. Junk food decrease your health, decrease your brain health. Tip number 6. Sleep. Yes, we are sleeping every night. Yes, you have to sleep 7 to 9 hours every night. There is a cleanup process when you sleep. There is a cleanup process in your brain when you are sleeping. It plays a very important role like a housekeeping. It removes all the toxic material from your brain. And when you wake up, you will be in fresh mood. Tip number 7. Habit. A good habit make a good person. What are the right habits? Eating fresh food, eating the nutrient food, drinking plenty of water, exercise, sleep, hydration. These are all are the good habits that you have to do. Please avoid the habit of alcohol, drugs and cigarette which is injurious to your health. So you have to put the right habit. Maintaining healthy habits can improve your life, can improve your brain health. Tip number 8, learning. Learning helps your brain to function very well. It also guide you. It also protect you. You can increase your self confidence by learning, and when you're learning, when you grace the knowledge, please share with the others so that your knowledge is very strong. Have a multitask of doing so that your brain is very sharp and quick enough. You can catch up the things and your thinking power will increase. While learning, you are able to face this situation. You are quick enough to say. Your concentration increases. Tip number 9, challenges. Engage in the new challenges so that your brain becomes smarter and your brain has the capacity to grow and learn. So please have the challenges that you can increase your brain capacity. What are the challenges? Like example like puzzles, crosswords and many more. You can face it. The small challenges. After that you can increase your challenges to a more heavier, harder challenges so that you will be mentally healthy to face the challenge. Challenges makes you active enough. Tip number 10, connect. Stay socially connected with your friends, with your relatives, in your neighborhoods. Yes, so that you are active enough. Have some fun and interesting games with your friends so that you are active and you are able to concentrate. Making new friends can improve your communication skill. Don't sit simply and silently so that your mood become dull. Cultivate a habit of making friends, new friends, so that you are able to communicate and connect with the new situations, with the problems, so that you are able to understand these situations. Be happy so that you are expected long life, isn't it? So this is a small 10 tips for your healthy brain. If you like this concept, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.